The Amazfit Bip Lite smartwatch comes in a classic black color. Its 1.28-inch reflective color touchscreen is always on and is easily readable both indoors and even under bright sunlight. It provides at-a-glance view for time, date, steps, and much more. The Amazfit fitness watch features a 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass with anti-fingerprint coating, making it suitable to wear all day long, even outdoors. The watch is extremely lightweight and comfortable to wear 24/7. The Amazfit smartwatch comes with a powerful battery that can last up to 45 days on a single charge. It is compatible with Android and iOS. The watch helps you track your daily activities and sports like indoor and outdoor running, walking, and cycling. It even gives you sedentary reminders if you've been sitting for too long. Get instant push notifications for calls, SMS, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Gmail, Skype, and all other apps on the fitness band. The watch is ATM certified, which means it is water resistant up to 30 meters depth. Therefore, the watch is suited for all your outdoor activities, even in the rains. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.